Action cameras are little powerhouses that are ideal for documenting adventures and loves. You can find the perfect affordable action camera here, whether you're looking for a rugged camera to record your adventurous activities or a basic pocket camera that can travel with you everywhere. These rugged cameras are made to withstand the elements and have waterproof capabilities, so they can go with you on every trip. You can find the ideal action camera on our list, regardless of how tight your budget is. If you're looking for strategies to keep more money in your pocket, number 5, the Apexcam Action Camera 4K Cur is 2024's top budget-friendly pick for adventure seekers. It boasts 4K 20MP resolution for sharp images and is water-resistant up to 40 meters, perfect for underwater exploration. With Wi-Fi connectivity, sharing your moments on social media is seamless. The camera features time-lapse, slow motion, and loop recording, catering to all your creative needs. The wide 170-degree lens and remote control make capturing your experiences effortless. It comes with a range of accessories, including a waterproof case and mounts, adding versatility. The 20MP Sony sensor ensures vibrant shots, ideal for vloggers. The user-friendly 2-inch LCD touchscreen is great for beginners, offering stunning 1080p quality and flexibility with 720p. The Apexcam proves that great tech doesn't have to be expensive, a perfect choice for the thrifty adventurer. Number 4. Let me introduce you to the Akaso EK7000 Pro 4K, the top budget-friendly action camera for 2024. This camera offers stunning 4K 30fps video, with options for 2.6K 30fps and smooth 1080p 60fps. Its Wi-Fi connectivity allows for easy remote operation and sharing, enhancing your adventure documentation in real time. With a waterproof case that supports depths up to 131 feet, it's perfect for any adventure, from mountain biking to deep-sea diving. Compatible with GoPro mounts, it easily attaches to bikes or gear, while the included remote control allows for seamless shooting. The versatility of the Akaso EK7000 Pro is unmatched, whether mounted on a helmet or strapped on with Velcro. Connectivity options include micro USB, micro HDMI, and Wi-Fi, all working with the Akaso app for remote control, playback, and sharing. Battery life is solid, offering around 90 minutes per charge, and it includes a backup battery and USB charger for easy swapping. The Akaso EK7000 Pro is a fantastic choice for capturing life's adventures without breaking the bank. Number 3. The DJI Osmo Action 3 is 2024's standout high-end budget action camera. Featuring a dual-screen setup, it enhances user control, especially for selfies, with both touch-sensitive screens offering water-repellent coatings. Its electronic image stabilization, combined with advanced algorithms, ensures smooth footage. The familiar design incorporates a quick-release magnetic mount and boasts impressive battery life and video stabilization. The HDR mode enhances video quality, while the customizable settings allow for easy access to preferred modes. It can withstand immersion up to 11 meters, thanks to its protective coating. Practicality is key, with straightforward buttons and a quick switch for toggling shooting modes, making it perfect for capturing life's dynamic moments. Check the links in the description for the latest deals. Number 2. The Akaso Brave 7 LE is 2024's top second choice for budget action cameras, combining affordability with impressive features. It offers clear 4K Ultra HD video and a 20MP camera with up to 8x digital zoom for stunning shots. Its electronic image stabilization ensures smooth videos, while the remote control feature adds convenience. Perfect for aquatic adventures, it's water-resistant up to 131 feet and has an IPX7 rating for durability. The small front screen is ideal for selfies and vlogging, and the rear screen provides real-time feedback. The photo burst mode captures up to 30 images per second, great for fast-paced action. The package includes a dual battery charger, with batteries recharging in just 2 hours. The camera's GoPro-like rubber casing ensures a firm grip, making it a reliable choice for sports enthusiasts. The Akaso Brave 7 LE stands out as a well-crafted and high-performing budget action camera. Number 1. The GoPro Hero 10 Black tops the charts with its versatility, speed, and lightweight design. Powered by the GP2 processor, it captures stunning 23MP photos and 5.3K videos with remarkable frame rates. Its superior low-light performance and hyper-smooth 4.0 stabilization make it a standout. Connectivity is seamless, with auto upload to the cloud when charging. The user-friendly interface provides easy navigation, and it excels in dim conditions, capturing detailed images and video. The Hero 10 also features a 1080p webcam mode, enhanced HDR, night video capabilities, and raw photo capture, making it a comprehensive tool for dynamic moments.